Hello everybody, today we're going to be tackling this pretty simple question. This is going to be called the sum of digits question. Write a function that takes a positive integer n and returns the sum of its digits. Alright, so for example, if we have the number 1234, the output, let's say input, the output should be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is going to be 3 plus 3 plus 4, which is going to be 10. So that kind of, hopefully that's a pretty simple explanation for what this problem is asking for. Let's start by writing the function. So the key thing to note with this type of problem is that we're going to be taking a function called sum of digits. We're going to be passing n, which is n is going to be the integer. The key thing we note that in a number in the base 10 number system, the first number is going to be in the value of ones, the second number is going to be in the value of tens, third number is going to be in the value of hundreds, and then fourth number thousands, and etc. So what we know is that what we want to do is we're going to be using modulus to continuously divide each particular digit, using each digit to get the particular modulus by using %10. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be starting with a variable total equals to 0. Now we're going to be looping through the number of digits, So for example, if we have a 4-digit number, what we're going to do is while n is greater than 0, so we're going to be continuously looping. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding total to n % 10. Now the reason we're going to be doing that is obviously in 1234, if we do modulus of 10, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be getting that first number there, 4. Next, what we're going to be doing is we need to get rid of this 4. And to do that, all we're going to be doing is we're going to be using integer division. So what this is doing, the integer division, when you're dividing it by 10, if the number is not a multiple of 10, essentially what it's doing is it's cutting out this last digit. So all we're left with is 123. And you see how that works? 1234, when we're doing an integer division of 10 on it, it's getting it to 123. And then when we have 123, and we do the modulus of 10 again of 123, and like we said, that gets the last 3, and that gets added to the total. And then at the end of this loop, all we're going to do is we're going to be simply returning total. So yeah, that's essentially how we tackle this problem. The key is using the modulus and continuously dividing each digit by 10, and then using integer division to cut out the last digit. We continuously increment that digit to adding it up in a total variable, and at the end of the loop, return the total variable. So that's essentially how this function works. We can test this by running print sum of digits of, let's say, let's do 124, 1234. So we'll copy paste that here, and if we run this code, if the thing should work, we should get the output of 10. Sorry, I didn't save, and there we go. We get the output of 10. We can add any number of digits and it'll work. So if we say 787, 7878, That'll be an additional 30, so the output should be 40. Shoot, I continuously forget to oh, psh, my bad. I forgot to put it in here. And yep, we get 40 over here. That, like I said. So that's essentially how this problem works. It's a pretty simple problem, but knowing this trick to using the modulus iteratively to continuously find the sum of digits, that can be a little bit tricky. So yeah, hopefully you guys like that short and simple video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.